Ella.
Yeah, girl.
Don't be calling me after this. I won't answer you. Hi, I'm Whitney.
And I'm Ella.
And we are here today
For the Boots tutorial,
Bestie hair swap.
So, I'm gonna do a classic Ella look. I'm gonna wet the curls. I'm gonna do a ponytail with a little side fringe and just some beachy, defined curls. First of all, I'm gonna wet her hair because with curly hair, you have to get it wet before you apply products.
Why?
Because curly hair needs hydration. So
okay.
Now that I've wet her hair, I am now going to go in with the Sheamoisture Curl and Shine Style Milk. And I'm just putting it on the first section. So now I am going to take the wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb it through the product, starting from the bottom and then going up to the top.
Why?
So it doesn't get tangled, because obviously it's very curly hair and it gets tangled easily.
Ella's got curly hair, so she knows how the game goes.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Boho Beach Waves Coconut Oil Texture Spray. So I'm just gonna spray that all over. It's gonna add to that definition. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go in with the Sheamoisture Curling Gel Soufflé. I love this. This like gives the definition and makes the curl hold in the ringlet. This is just gonna define the curl and just keep it intact so it doesn't frizz. And it keeps that definition that we love because we're going for a defined sleek look today. You know, classic Ella. So now we'll just comb all of that through. Look at those beach waves.
Yeah.
It's the beach waves for me. Now I'm going to put Whitney's hair into the ponytail and I'm going to use the Cantu sleeking brush to do so, which is what I use to sleek my hair on a daily basis. So I'm just using that to sleek out the curls at the top, just so it's laid flat. This is going to be a little arm workout because I'm dealing with a lot of hair, but I can handle it. Where I can see that the curls have separated, I'm just going to twist them out just to give them that little extra definition. So next up, I'm going to use the Cantu Edges Styling Comb Brush. This is me laying the baby hairs. So I'm using the brush to comb the baby hair. So now I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued for Brow and Edges Gel to do the little side swoops here, the sideburns. We're going to do little spirals. And this brush is small, so it's the perfect size for just getting in there and, you know, getting it done.
It is actually really cute, I'm not gonna lie, it's really cute. It actually is really cute. I'm gonna rock it today. I'm gonna be like, hey everyone, hey boys, new bomb Charlotte.
I think it's giving old school baddie.
Yeah, it's giving
it's giving early 2000s, you know?
Just give me my like low-rise jeans, my vest top, my belt.
Yeah.
Okay, so for Ella, I'm gonna give her like an old school, back in the day look. Like this is like who Ella would have been like 10 years ago. Yeah, this is her vibe. This is like her attitude.
I'm intrigued.
Before I discovered wig life,
like
I would have done this back in the day, like, you know, with my natural hair. First, what I'm gonna do is brush Ella's hair and then I'm gonna divide it into sections and we're gonna make the magic happen.
I'm a bit nervous, not gonna lie. I don't have
nervous.
Yeah, nervous. I don't have any clue what Whitney's trying to do to my hair, but yeah, let's see. I'm excited.
I'm gonna use this comb and I'm gonna divide the hair into 2 sections. And we're gonna do a straight line, not zigzag, we're gonna do a straight line. We're gonna take time. It's all about the lines. Looks like this, it'd be the lines. Then I'm gonna go in with another part in the middle. We want 2 sections. Right now we're looking for 2 even sections. If you just turn your head over there, doll, yeah, you see that? I've added an additional part in here, and then I'm gonna plait these 2 sections, which is gonna give the old school vibe, you know? We're gonna use 2 hairbands. So what I'm gonna do now is plait Ella's hair. Now we're gonna put the hairband on just to secure the braid because the last one we want in the braid is for it to drop.
That is a good braid. That is a very neat, even, tidy braid. Go on, what?
Thank you, babe. Part 2.
I believe in her, but I don't know about the sound of the hairstyle. She was talking about braids with a quiff on top, but I'm riding the wave. We'll see.
So I'm basically about to pull out Ella's like natural part drop. We're just gonna section this up in like a rough plait.
So we're having a side fringe and a quiff.
Yeah, girl.
This hairstyle's got a lot going on.
Okay, so this is gonna be the quiff. We're gonna use the crab clip to obviously section our hair, you know, because there's so many dimensions to this look. I'm now gonna be using this Cantu edge brush. Very important when you're slicking hair because it's gonna obviously slick the hair into position as well as giving it a sheen. Okay, so I'm gonna use these Boots bobby pins to obviously pin the quiff. Sometimes less is more. Never had to do too much, so we're keeping it simple.
But it's full.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna use a crab clip from Boots, of course. We're just gonna use this to pin the bun, keep it in place, that tough grip. You know, we need more this time.
This is such, I see what you're trying to do.
Okay, we're just gonna add loads of crab clips to hold the shape. We're just gonna like do the front. Okay, we're bringing in the comb again, and we're just gonna like slick.
That?
Yeah.
What are you doing with that?
Nothing, I'm just gonna give you a side sweep.
Or do you want it tucked or no?
No, I like it kind of out.
You're just gonna do one edge?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna give her a fat edge.
A fat one?
Well, not too fat.
I've got
two swoops.
I've got big baby hairs, don't I?
So next I'm going to be using the Got To Be Edge Swoop. It's like a mascara, but it's a glue, so it's easier to get into the fine little details. I like to sweep my edges with like, first the direction and holding it in place. Ella!
Yeah, girl.
Don't be calling me after this, I won't answer you.
Okay, cute. It's
Like it.
It's giving something.
So this is the look, guys. You like it, don't you? Give him a pound and do a peace sign at the same time. Yeah, go on. Yeah.
It's giving Ella back in the day.
Yeah. And that's what we're going for. Just a taste of childhood. Okay, so guys, I'm not gonna lie, I love my hair. Shout out Ella. Will I be rocking this look again? I don't know, but if you see it, shout out Ella. What about you?
Shout out Whitney.
Yeah.
She gave me a little throwback and
Yeah.
took me back to childhood.
Memories.
But, I can't say I'll be rocking it anytime soon, but maybe one day in the future.
Yeah, I see that for her. Shout out Boots.
Shout out Boots.